Yo, what is up guys, this is Steve from Digital Unraveled here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can post a GIF onto your Instagram feed using an app called CapCut that you can download 100% free on your iPhone or your Android device. So as you know, on Instagram you can post a GIF onto your Instagram story, but what about your feed? Now that is an entirely different situation. Instagram doesn't really recognize the GIF files as Instagram feed posts, but there is a workaround that you can do to go ahead and upload a GIF onto your Instagram feed. So without further ado, let's just get straight into it. So there are many different websites that you can go ahead and visit to get GIFs to download onto your phone, but my favorite one that I like to go to is Giphy.com. So if you're on the Google homepage of your mobile phone, go into Google and then just search for Giphy and then hit go, and that will go ahead and take you to the website where you can go ahead and search for GIFs that you want to download onto your phone. So let's just say, for an example, I'll just type in, there's a trending search of dogs, so I'll tap on dogs right there to get some GIFs related to dogs, and it's taking quite a bit of time to load, so I'll just scroll down and find one really quickly for this video. So let's just say this is the GIF that I want to go ahead and upload to Instagram. Okay, so that one didn't really want to work, so I've loaded up another one here, and all you would need to do to download this GIF is to go ahead and long press on the GIF itself, and then you can see near the bottom it says download image. Now it says download image, but it's going to download the GIF. So I'll go ahead and tap on download image, and then I'll just tap on download. Okay, so that file has now been downloaded onto my mobile phone, but you can see it saved it as a WebP file. Now that isn't going to be recognized by CapCut, so we need to go ahead and convert that file into a video file or an MP4 file. So what you need to do now is go back onto Google, so just type in google.com, hit search, and then in the search bar you just want to type WebP to MP4, so WebP to MP4, and then hit search. And then you can go ahead and tap on this first result that popped up, easygif.com. So you can tap on that first result. And now you just need to scroll down a bit to where it says upload image from your computer, but this will be your phone. So go ahead and tap on choose file, and then go ahead and tap on files. And if you're on an iPhone, you'll just have to go ahead and go into your gallery or whatever it's called. And this is the one we just downloaded. So I'll tap on it, and then I'll hit the upload button. You can see it right there, upload. I'll hit upload. So that file has now been uploaded. So now I just need to tap on here where it says convert WebP to MP4. I'll tap on that. That will just take a moment to convert really quickly. And just like that, it's done. So now you can see the video, it says output MP4 video. And all you need to do to download this is to long press on this and then tap on download video. Now that is downloaded as an MP4, as you can see by the file name over there. So now what we can do is we can go onto CapCut, and you can download CapCut by visiting either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, and then just searching for CapCut. I'll tap on the first result that pops up, and there you're going to make sure you download CapCut. I have it installed already, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and then you'll go ahead and select new project. And then you'll go ahead and select underneath videos. You want to go ahead and select the video that you just downloaded. So here it is, tap on add at the bottom right hand corner. And here we have our GIF loaded up into the CapCut video editor, which is great. Now, as you can see, if I go ahead and play this, it is a decently length video, but if you want to go ahead and make it longer, and you can remove this CapCut ending by just tapping on the ending there and then tapping on delete at the bottom right hand corner. So that's now gone. If you want to extend this a little bit, go ahead, tap the plus icon you can see on the right hand side of the timeline. Tap the plus icon and then just go ahead and add that video clip in again. Tap on add. And now you can see it lengthened the video to around 8 seconds, which is great. Now, before you do anything else, you want to make sure that this is the correct size for Instagram. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and scroll to the right hand side from the bottom there where it says format. You can see right over here it says format. You want to go ahead and tap on format. So I'll tap on format, and then you want to make sure that it's selected as 1:1. That's square format. So 1:1 is selected, and then you can just go back. And now you have your GIF as an MP4 file, but you can do other things to this file like add text. So if you want to go ahead and add some text. I just went out of it. I'll go back in. You can see at the bottom bar it says text. Go ahead and tap on the text button and then tap on add text. And then you can just write something like, I'll just write something really quickly. This is awesome. And that's my text. You can move it around however you want. You can change the way it looks. If I just minimize that, you can see here the different colors you can select. So if I want like a blue color, I can select blue. So let's just go with a bluish color. So I'll select the blue color like that, resize it there. And then you can just hit the back button to go back. Now you want to have this as the same length as the video. So you can go ahead and tap on the text layer. You can see if I tap on it, it highlights it. And then you can just move it all the way to the end. You just have to play around with it a bit. There it is. And that'll play throughout the whole video. So if I go back and then play this video, you can see that here's my GIF with the text playing, and you can do other things to this like add text to speech and do various other things. But for this tutorial, I'll just keep things really simple. So let's just say this is the video we want to upload to Instagram. All I would need to do is, you can see at the top right hand corner, there is an up arrow with a line underneath it. Tap on that up arrow. And then you want to go ahead and select 1080p, 30 frames per second is fine. You can hit export. Now it's quickly exporting the video, and now it's saved to my device. So now you can go ahead and go out of CapCut, and here we go into Instagram. Now to upload this to your Instagram profile, it's real simple. Just open up Instagram, then tap on the plus icon to post a new post. And you can see this is the latest video that I was working on, so it populated first. So this is it right here. You can see it's the correct size and everything like that. So go ahead and select post there underneath all the different options here. Select post so you know it's going to your Instagram feed. Then go ahead and tap on next. And you can add different filters if you want to do that, but I'm not going to do that. I'll tap on the arrow again. And then you can just go ahead and write a caption and then tag people, add your location, and do your various other things that you would do when you regularly upload a Instagram feed post. So that is the process of how you upload a GIF to your Instagram feed using an app called CapCut. I hope this video was useful for you today. If it was, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below to my channel so you don't miss any more social media tips and trends. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.